Welcome back to our channel where we unlock the secrets of human behavior. Today we dive into part 9, The Final Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene, the author. Strap in because the insights in this part are life-changing. First up, Law 17, the law of generational myopia. Every generation has its own mindset. Most people don't even realize it. You're managing a Gen Z intern. They crave flexibility and constant feedback. You shift your leadership style and the results speak for themselves. When you understand generational bias, you become a better communicator and leader. Think about it. Our worldview is shaped more by history than we realize. Like what was going on when we were born or in our teens, how wars, economic shifts, or cultural movements during those times influence us even now. And each generation has its own story. What's your story? How does your history shape who you are today? Reflect on that. It's a powerful way to start understanding the generational myopia at play. This law is a lens to see the historical forces behind the present. It's a reminder that we're all products of our time, and when we understand that, we can bridge the gaps and connect with people across generations. So embrace the wisdom of the past and the energy of the future. Let's keep moving forward together. Now brace yourself for Law 18, the law of death denial. We avoid thinking about death, but it's the key to living a meaningful life. How many times have you put off something until tomorrow, only to realize the next day is just a little bit further away from the one you thought it would be? Death is the ultimate deadline, and while it might seem uncomfortable to think about, it's essential to living a meaningful life. When we're confronted with our own mortality, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and even scared. But as author and philosopher Irvin D. Yalom points out, it's in confronting our mortality that we discover the depth of life. After a health scare, you stop procrastinating. You go after your dreams with focus and urgency. Death gives life depth. The knowledge that our time is limited can push us to live with purpose. It's a powerful motivator. So let's talk about it. How has thinking about your own mortality affected your perspective on life? Share your thoughts. The law of death denial challenges us to meditate on mortality, not as a morbid exercise, but as a path to a more vibrant, meaningful existence. It's a reminder that every moment counts. And there you have it, folks, the final laws of human nature. If you've made it this far, you've unlocked a deeper understanding of human behavior. But remember, the real mastery lies in applying these laws to your life. Until next time, keep mastering yourself and keep living intentionally. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to follow for more life-changing content. Dive deeper into the world of human behavior by checking out our other videos. And for more from Robert Greene, we've got you covered with more content available. Keep exploring, keep growing, and we'll catch you in the next one.